It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Wednesday, January 4th. I'm Michael Groff. Generally speaking, tranquil weather should continue here in the valley for the upcoming 7 to 10 day period, but a couple little wrinkles in the forecast, some small chances of showers to talk about. So let's get out there and look at it this morning. Mostly sunny skies out there right now in the valley here at 11:15 a.m. Currently sitting at 57 degrees at Sky Harbor. Dew point at 43, relative humidity 59%. The winds are light. The barometer is falling. Temperatures around south central Arizona and here in the metro this morning. Generally, we are in the 50s to near 60. Clouds moving across the southwest, mainly to our north right now, but we'll see an increase in clouds later today and tonight. On the watch warning map, plenty of winter weather concerns across the country. Northern Maine, the Great Lakes states, seeing some lake effect snows. Winter weather advisories in parts of Missouri, Kansas, and Nebraska. Winter storm warnings out west in the Rockies and the Sierra. In fact, the Sierra of California going to see at least another 8 to 10 feet of snow over the next several days. I mean, they've just been getting hammered out there in a state that desperately needs the precipitation. So that's certainly some good news. On the convective outlook, no organized areas of severe weather today. A little front moving through the South Florida today should spark off a few thunderstorms, but nothing significant there. And as far as our weather goes, let's talk about it in more detail. We'll get out to the models. This is the GFS, the 12Z run. Valid at 5 o'clock Mountain Standard Time today. Fast-moving zonal flow here in the southwest states, and that just means partly cloudy skies today, and temperatures should be up in the mid-60s by this afternoon, so a little bit warmer than yesterday's high of 61 degrees in the valley. Tonight, clouds increase just a little bit. Mild conditions for early January with lows mainly in the mid-40s to low 50s. Tomorrow, we're again going to be partly sunny and high temperatures mainly in the mid to upper 60s. On Friday, a system dropping out of the Pacific Northwest should clip by the Four Corners region, and there is a very small chance of showers here in the valley. But even best case scenario, if we do see rain, it would be a trace, maybe a couple hundredths of an inch. Most of the models not advertising anything at all here. Any precipitation chances would be east of Phoenix generally. So we'll just say partly sunny skies. High temps may back off just a touch back down to the mid-60s. On Saturday, a ridge of high pressure tries to build in from the south. Temps should warm up just a little bit, upper 60s to near 70. On Sunday, we're in the low 70s. And on Monday, another system begins to approach the area. And the models have been going back and forth here with the idea of a little bit of rain here in south central Arizona. The latest GFS suggests, yes, a very small chance of rain and precipitation amounts very sparing here. Maybe, again, a trace, a few hundredths of an inch at most. A 10% chance of rain would be all that would be relevant to put in the forecast right at this moment. And generally just partly sunny skies. High temps backing off a little bit, upper 60s to near 70. This is Tuesday, and we're partly sunny again. High pressure will try to reestablish itself here. Flat ridging across Mexico, so high temperatures, upper 60s to low 70s, generally a little bit above normal. This is a week from today, Wednesday, January 11th. See more or less just zonal flow here in the southwest states, and partly cloudy skies continue. High temps, low 70s. This is Thursday, the 12th. Same thing, flat ridging across the central part of Mexico and extending north here in Arizona, westerly flow. So we are dry. And then this is the end of the forecast period, Friday, January 13th. And a pretty strong trough moving into the Pacific Northwest. And this verifies clouds may be on the increase. Temps may start to take a dip backwards. And ultimately, we may see chances of precipitation coming in here beyond the forecast period. But that's 10 days out, nothing to concern ourselves with now. Looks like temperatures should remain near to above normal for most of the forecast period with substantial periods of cloudiness through the next 10 days. Temperatures off the GFS ensemble. We're going to warm it up this weekend, early next week a bit, and then temps should be roughly 5 to 7 degrees above normal through much of the forecast period. And look at those overnight lows, well above normal. And that's a look at the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. Our next video back here tomorrow morning. Thanks as always so much for watching. Have a great Wednesday.